Hi there, and welcome to Aimco, where we help factory workers avoid injury and work smarter by guiding them to the best lifting solution. Today I'd like to demonstrate two lifting tools that were designed to lift both pulley assemblies and blower motor assemblies. First, you'll want to tilt the tool down into place to level the jaws out to the part. You want to bring the stop pad located right here up to the blower housing. And keep that pressed up against the blower housing while you hit the clamp button. Now before you lift up, you'll want to bring the tool level with the part by pressing the rocker switch on the up side. That will tilt everything back up and keep the part level. Now the blower housing is level. Now we're ready to attach this onto the machine. So the easiest way to do this is to hit the G button on the Gorbel G-force handle. It quickly calculates all of the weight below the hoist. That allows you to easily manipulate the part up and down. Very little force to raise this up and down. Now this will allow you to guide this right up to the machine, and now you can bolt this right into the machine. I'll just guide this down into the fixture to demonstrate. Once you have this attached to the machine, you want to tap the down button. That will get us out of the float mode and back into the pendant mode. Now to release, you cannot simply unclamp the part by just pushing the unclamp button. You do have to pull the common trigger in and the unclamp together to release. This does have a pivoting handlebar. This will keep you in a nice ergonomic position. All right, let's move on to the next tool. All right, now we'll take a look at the pulley tool. This has an adjustable bail that will help us pitch the tool back and forth to keep the part level when installing onto the machine. Now to guide the tool in, there's Delrin blocks here and here. You'll want to center the guide up with the C channel of the pulley. Bring it in until the pulley wheel comes flat with the guide jaws on the gripping jaw. And hold tight up against that and hit the clamp button. And bring it up out of the fixture. Again, hit the G button on the Gorbel up-down pendant. That will again record the weight. Now we can easily move this up and down, get this into place for the machine mounting. You'll bring it into place, mount it onto the machine. Pitch the tool if you need to level that out. Make it easier to install. Now we're still in float mode, and I'll just guide this into this fixture to show you how to release it. So guide this into place. At this point it'll be mounted to the machine. Again, tap the down button. This will get us out of float mode again and back into the pendant mode. Pull the common trigger in and the unclamp button to release, and pull the tool right out. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you need a lifting tool and don't buy it, you will ultimately pay for it and not have it. Now start the process today by going to aimcomfg.com and click the Get Quote button up in the right hand corner. Thank you.